Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to reset home screen layout on this device. First of all, you have to open the list of all applications by pressing the digital crown, then scroll down to Settings app and open it. In Settings you're gonna have to find General section and open it, then scroll down all the way to the bottom of the list and select Reset. Then scroll down once again and select Reset Home Screen Layout. Then confirm by clicking Reset Home Screen Layout once again. And this way you will enable your home screen layout. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.